This week I'm not doing any work on the MT, but I'm staying busy with my day job. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome. And this is all about the MT and me. This is the week that we officially kick off the holidays here where I live with two big celebrations in the two communities in our county. And it all starts with a holiday afternoon and evening affair in our county seat. An absolutely gorgeous day. Temperatures are in the 70s. Skies are clear. It might not feel like Christmas weather-wise, but the Christmas spirit is here in Hamburg. And we're proud to be part of it on the MT and Me this week. Let's look around and see what's going on.
Your baby boy, one day touched the blind, and they would see again. And speak to the water, while the water was in a rage. He said, peace be.
And it came to pass, as the angels were gone away from them into heaven, the shepherds said one to another, Let us now go even unto Bethlehem, and see this thing which is come to pass, which the Lord hath made known unto us.
working perfectly.
So, it's been a fantastic day here in Hamburg with all kinds of activities on the square, great music, fantastic parades, the Little Red Wagon Parade, the big Christmas parade. It's a good way to usher the holidays into our communities here in Ashley County. There's more to come later in the week, so you stand by for that. In the meantime, maybe tomorrow, with nothing Christmassy going on, I can get a chance to get back out to the workshop and do a little more Yuletide gift work with Reed. We'll have to wait and see. For now, good night from the Hamburg holidays. Well, first coating of paint on the sphere. I'm quite sure I'll have to put another one on there. Not today, sometime this weekend. Tomorrow, it's back to Christmasing as we have another downtown Christmas celebration that we're going to share with you here on the MT and Me. Well, it's another day and another Christmas celebration. This time, we're in my hometown, downtown, for the holidays, what they're calling it, a Holly Jolly Cross-It Christmas. So, got 2 blocks of Main Street closed off to traffic. There are vendors all up and down the street. And, of course, me and my crew are here broadcasting live. So we're going to show you some of that, some of the vendors, and just share everything going on here for the afternoon Christmas celebration. And oh yeah, did I mention there's another parade coming up a little later on this evening, another beautiful nighttime Christmas parade. So, hope it gets you in the holiday spirit. So, that's a downtown Christmas celebration if I've ever seen one. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, enjoyed the parade, and hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to like and share this video if you're feeling the holiday spirit, and tune in again next week. Maybe we'll actually do some work on a motorhome right here on the MT&Me. I'm Russ. Bree's nowhere to be found. We'll talk later.